Are you ready to take the Google Professional Cloud Developer exam? Test yourself by answering over 300 questions. This course is in the form of practice tests and consists of questions that may appear during the Google Professional Cloud Developer exam. Some questions are self-explanatory, when necessary explanations are added to the questions. This course allows you to confirm your proficiency and give you the confidence you need to earn a Google Professional Cloud Developer certification. This course consists of 5 practice tests. Each test has a time limit. The required score for each practice test is 70% correct answers. In order to reflect the form of an exam as much as possible, the questions are single and multiple choice. I strongly encourage you to repeat these exams until you consistently achieve a score of 90% or higher on each exam. Don't hesitate and take the challenge today. Thank you for your attention and good luck!